Dude, this is Tired Metalhead Weatherman. I hope you guys are having a good start to the morning by the time you see this video. So, I wasn't gonna make a video last night, just trying to take advantage of the slow times. Lo and behold, though, as I had mentioned in the last video, called to be on the top right corner, that little tropical system that we were expecting to form up in the Gulf is starting to. Looks like it's trying to take shape now, but there's a lot of model uncertainty with it right now. I'm gonna go over that real quick. It's gonna be a very short video. So the main thing I'm trying to do here is just give you an idea of what the timetable may be for this to make a quote unquote technical landfall, because this isn't a fully organized tropical system, and there's a lot of different looks that we have. We're going to take a look at three models today. We're going to start out, of course, with the most popular one, the GFS. So this is our system right now. There's no low pressure that pops up here, but the GFS kind of has this set up to be forming very quickly and moving on the land very quickly. Not much has changed from the last run that I saw late last night. It was a little too late for me to make a video. I was a little tired at that. I was a little bit out of it at that point, but this doesn't really look like it forms up into much of anything according to the GFS, but it does push its way onto shore by Wednesday evening, I would say, heading into Wednesday night into the overnight hours, affecting Mississippi, Alabama, and Georgia. And what this really will be from all three of these models is just a major rainmaker. This is just going to bring a bunch of heavy rain to the southeast, regardless of when the timetable is that it will arrive in. Sorry if I'm fumbling my words, it's early. Alright, so we're just only gonna go a few hours in. I'm going maybe to about maybe Saturday, but it kind of just it looks like if the GFS outcome happens, it's gonna be a lot of heavy rain for a lot of folks by early tomorrow afternoon. As you can see, this is a fresh off. This isn't even a fully completely like loaded GFS. This is fresh. This is updating as we speak, but these are the few hours that I do have available. So now we'll go ahead and take a look at the Euro. This is a little bit more out of date. The Euro will be actually updating in about an hour or so. Or I think it might actually be 2 hours. But we'll go ahead and take a look here. Now the Euro has a little bit more of an interesting scenario playing out so far, where it has this kind of hanging around in the Gulf, meandering towards the west, and then trying to get its act together a little bit more sufficiently. Like you can kind of even see as I'm going through these 3 hour scans here that the storm system looks like it's really trying to get itself more organized. It has a little bit of vorticity with it, and then into the weekend, that's when we have to watch this storm potentially coming in. But it's kind of a weird setup. But this looks like it will also be no different. It's going to bring a lot of heavy rain to the south and east, regardless of the timetable in which it comes. And then as we even go further out, it looks like there's even more activity. But most likely, I'm thinking by no later than this weekend, could we be dealing with a tropical type system. And then we're going to do something a little different here. We're going to take a look at the icon real quick. And we're going to go ahead and see what this has to show us. We're going on to tropical tidbits. Right offshore, right off the coast of Louisiana, we have our tropical system. Not a really well circulated, well ventilated low at all, but honestly, the icon has this turning into nothing. Just being a big rainmaker for the south and east. From the looks of it. Wait a minute. Hang on now. I don't know when this last update was. I think this is the 06. Alright, so we were on Saturday, and this is kind of taking a little bit more of a look towards the European model now. The European model has this thing trying to form up into more considerable storm before it goes inland. but this actually looks like it's trying to take a push further south. There's not a huge deal of steering going on in the Gulf Coast, so this is actually plausible as well. So it's a toss up as to what could happen. Like, these are the main three models that I've been watching, and these are the most three interesting models, also three of the most reliable models. So it's going to be interesting to see how things play out. But one thing that I can say for certain for a lot of folks in the South, there may be a lot of heavy rain coming. So you're living in a low-lying area, be ready for the potential for flash flooding, because these will most likely be tropical downpours. But again, like I said, this is going to be a short video. If you like what I had done here, drop a like, share the video, share the channel, and leave comments. Try to get this algorithm up so we can get this info out to people that need it. But this is all I got for you guys today. I won't make another video today unless absolutely necessary. But until the next one, it's been Tire Metalhead Weatherman. I will see you later.